Happy summer from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. After a long cold winter, you finally earned this nice weather, and what better way to spend it than behind the wheel of a new Kia. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive. Sportage, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Nero, Forte, even the 2023 Telluride is here and ready for a test drive. The best way for you to get your new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive with one of our product specialists. Pick a day and time that works best for you. We'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. After your test drive, we'll go to work and get your new Kia on its way. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Hi, I'm Howard with Lupient Kia of Brooklyn Park. Explore anywhere with confidence this summer in the 2023 Kia Sportage. This month, lease a 2023 Sportage EX all-wheel drive for $319 per month for 24 months with money down. Reasons to choose the 2023 Kia Sportage include standard Kia DriveWise Assist technology, a more spacious cabin than previous generations, and Kia's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Stop by or give us a call to get your 2023 Kia Sportage.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.